Okay, now I'm working on welding this plate down, mating it to the surface, the weldment surface. I start where it is tightest, working my way out this way, and I bring my clamps out, propagating out to bring the edges as close to the weldment as possible. That's what we want. So I'm going to have to get real inventive here to get a clamp that can span out to here. I'll have to dig and see what I have. I may have to just put a bunch of weight on there. Or I could use the tractor, push down on it with the fork, perhaps. Okay, may not be that necessary, but it's definitely needing some pressure to make this mate. And that's what's nice about this metal here. It's a general purpose metal, so it will conform a little easier than tool steel, but it's still very strong, has a good tensile strength to it. So I'm guessing it's somewhere around 70,000 psi, between 60 and 70,000 psi metal. Alright, moving onwards.